Today, hello everyone. 27-inch iMac eBay supply under $100. They come with the cable. No keyboard, no mouse, but I don't know the PC work or not, but they come with the cable. We need to turn on. How to see on? Let's go. $27 inches. No keyboard, no mouse. Computer need a restore system, but it's good. Under $100, $60 eBay. Good. Need a looking for the keyboard and mouse. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah, not bad. Have power on. That's good. Under $100. Thank you guys. Spend time with me. See you later. Bye bye. Don't forget subscribe.